Glazing clay can be really expensive and time-consuming. This tutorial will show you how to use oil pastels and watercolor on clay to create really bright, colorful results. If you love art, don't forget to subscribe. You'll start with oil pastels, and it's gonna feel really weird at first. Your clay is gonna feel like a dinner plate because it is hard and out of the kiln. Use a paper towel to blend and get in your cracks and crevices. You will not be able to cover up the whole thing. Don't even try to. Your coils are gonna be really hard to get into the cracks and crevices. Your textures are gonna have lots of raised surfaces. And I have to admit, at this point of the video, I was feeling really bad about this technique. I thought it looked sloppy, I thought it looked ugly, my tile was clanging on the table, and as I was making this, I was thinking, well, I'm gonna just have to delete this video and try another technique. Just wait, it gets better, I promise. If you're a perfectionist, you're gonna have to let it go. This stage is just about filling your sections with color. I recommend blending at least 2 colors together per section, and your tile will really come alive when we do the next part, which is watercolor painting. You can choose your favorite color scheme. You could even try 2 colors you don't even think mix. You could make your tile represent the seasons, or just use any variety of color that you find appealing. If you want to level up, blending and shading create really beautiful sections. The subject of my artwork is the tree itself. That is the area that I created coils to make a raised surface. And so I'm using colors that match my color scheme, but will also make the tree itself stand out. Brown is the final color I use, and then because this is a 3-dimensional surface, a paper towel is the tool I'm gonna use to smooth and blend so I can get it in the 3D part of the tile. It does not have to be perfect, but you want it to stand out. You had doubts about this technique before, just watch. As soon as that blue hit my tile, I knew I was gonna love this piece of art. Pick a color that contrasts or is very different from your background color. I couldn't decide between blue or black, but as soon as I saw the blue, I knew I was sold. You are going to take your paintbrush and plenty of water and use watercolor paint to get in the cracks, crevices, and all of your textures. This is gonna make your artwork look amazing. Pay attention to your 3D surfaces where you scored and slipped your coil to your slab. I also go around my whole tile and paint the edges so it has a nice finished look. Watch the magic happen. You could even try a second color to make your tree stand out even more. Watch me use black. And here it is, my new favorite technique to use on finished clay.